Hi there, this is Fixed It. This is the bee house I built, but unfortunately I left the holes a bit too rough, hoping the bees would chew their way in, but although the bees are putting their heads into the hole, the rough pieces around the hole are preventing them from going inside. So I'm actually going to use a rasp to try and clean some of these out so that the bees can get access. Okay, I'm just using this rasp to start with, just to trim around the edges to open it up. Only problem is this rasp's a little bit too rough, so I think it's possibly making matters worse rather than better. So let me try something else. I recently did an unboxing of a Quilando wood burning iron, and I think that will be absolutely perfect for doing this job. I'm pretty much convinced that the holes are roughly the right size, so let me plug it in and heat it up and give it a try. Put it in the hole. Yeah, that's a lot smoother. So there we have it. It's done a really good job. It's burnt all these holes really smooth, so now the bees can get in and out. Let's just finish this last one. Let's check if there's any still looking a bit rough. That one there's looking a bit rough. Just burn that a bit more. But overall I'm pleased with the result. That's done really well. There's hundreds of solitary bees flying around and using our old house, so placing this next to the old house should really help. Also, some of the bees that were landing on me were actually mating bees. Obviously the mating bees are going to be looking for homes, and hopefully this beam will do the job. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to the channel and check out my other videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.